Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and taking the time to watch my videos. I do appreciate it. I love when you guys leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. It does help me out. And if you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. All kinds of unboxings, giveaways, haul videos, review videos. It's always a great time here. I am super excited, as you can see from the description below. I do have, let me get it out of the box, the OFRA mystery bag. And I'm super excited. This is currently out of stock. I will put the information down below and you can actually sign up and they'll email you when it's back in stock. It is $25 and I believe it's 4 to 5 items that you will receive, and it's valued at $100 or more. And I was able to actually use a code. I will put that down below as well. It is Google 30 and that got me 30% off. So $25 minus 30% for over $100 value is a great deal. So not sure if the code still works, but I will put it down below. And like I said, they are sold out, but you can go to their site and hit, put in your email and it will notify you when it is back in stock. So the first thing we are going to take a look at, actually it's not in the bag. It is down here in the bottom of the box. And what are you? OFRA Pro Palette, packed with great overshadows to start. This OFRA palette can hold many more of your favorites. Oh, so is this like a Z palette? This is what it looks like. Oh, I think this is a Z palette, y'all. And if it is, that makes me very happy. It is. Because, I'll move these around. Makes me very happy because I have quite a few OFRA and other little eyeshadow pod pan things that I've either gotten at Ipsy or from other subscriptions, and I have needed a Z palette. Oh, you guys, it's right here. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, this is awesome. And it came with 6 shadows. So that is great. So we have these colors here. I'm not sure which is which. It does tell me on the back. It's Bohemian, Buttercup, Smoke, Iron, Truffle, and Millennium Gold are the names of the 6 shadows that came with it. So a Z palette and 6 shadows. Yeah. All day long. So we will get into the bag, which I think is super cute. It is not, this glitter is actually smooth, so it is covered in something. I think this is a really cute bag. So let's dive in here. Any kind of card or, look y'all, I got another OFRA I can put in my Z palette. And this is in, what color are you? What color are you? Do I have to open you to find out? Do I need to open you? You gonna tell me what color you are? Made in the USA. It says eyeshadow syrup used in palettes and kits. But it doesn't tell me a color. Nowhere does it tell me a color. Wow, that's big. That's a big little pan. A big little pan. But you know what we're about to do? We'll go put it in here. That really is a, like, look, put it in there. Compared to the others, that is really big. It's a pretty color. I like that it's a shimmer. So Yay! All right, so we're up to 7 shadows and a Z palette. What are you? I think this is just a clear lip gloss. Yeah, that's what this appears to be. It's a clear lip gloss. It says clear. It's always great to have. I have quite a few, so I may actually throw that into a giveaway. What are you? This is Expanding Makeup Sponge at the OFRA Perfecting Puff. So we can always use, always. You can never have too many of these. I like the color. I know that really doesn't matter, but I do like the color. So there is that. So let's see, the palette, the sponge, the bonus eyeshadow. So we're at 3. And this is an OFRA, this is an OFRA eyeliner in turquoise. I can already tell you, it's beautiful, but it is not a color that I would wear. So I'm going to put this to the side as well. And so that was product number 4. And it looks like we have 2 more. So we have, this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Santorini, I believe. This is in the packaging. Ooh. Yeah, Santorini. So that's a pretty color. It's a little, but it's still really pretty. So I like that. And then we have another long-lasting liquid lipstick in Fantasia. Oh, now this is interesting. I think I like this a lot. It almost looks purpley, but then it has like almost like a holographic. We're gonna do a little swatch. Ooh, y'all. That's really pretty. I really like that a lot. Like, I like that a lot. Like, I almost want to put this over my lipstick that I have on. This feels like it gave it like a little something extra, like, sorry. Okay. Sorry. If you've seen another video I posted, I don't know which one it was I said. I'm actually filming at like 5:30 in the morning because I couldn't sleep, and I was like, you know what? All right, I'm not gonna sit here and lay here anymore. I got up, took a shower, and I was like, I'm gonna film some videos. So here we are. So we got the Z palette with 6 shadows. We got the additional shadow. We got the turquoise liner, the clear lip gloss, the sponge, and the 2 liquid lipsticks. We got 7 products plus the bag for $25 minus 30%. So I'm sorry, but you can't beat that. And, you know, like I said, I will put the link below, and you can put in your email so they will notify you when it is back in stock. And I will put that code that I use, which is Google 30, and it will, if it is still active, it will get you 30% off, so you get it for less than $25. So I am very, very happy with this. I have wanted a Z palette, and honestly, the Z palette and just this were worth it to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, all the information will be down below. Again, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And if you have not already, go ahead and hit subscribe. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you with the next video. Bye.